and welcome back everyone. If you want to remove clock from your lock screen on your Samsung device, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So let's just get started without any delay. You can start by opening up your settings app on your Android device, and once you go over here, you can just go over from the settings to your wallpaper and style option. So go ahead and tap on it, and that should open up your wallpaper settings available on your screen. You just need to go ahead and look out for the option for your lock screen preview. So you can either find that option from here, or if not from here, you can just go over and find the option for lock screen, tap on it. And from lock screen, you should be finding an option of roaming clock. When you go and tap on it, it should display you different options and option called show on always on display. So you just need to turn off this option, look out for the toggle option right beside it. And you can also look out for this option of on. You can turn it off as well, and that will directly turn it off. You can just go ahead and turn off these options right here, and that should basically go ahead and remove the clock from your lock screen on Samsung. So it is a pretty easy and quick method, so you can follow up that for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.